Learn to make this quick and very simple crochet button. There are times you might need to make a crochet project and you don't have a ready-made button at hand, or you want all your projects to be made from yarn. Why not learn to make this 2-piece size crochet button? Come along and let's go on a crochet journey. Wrap your yarn around your crochet hook just a couple of times, like so, without sliding it off. Yarn over and pass through. Lay down your yarn tail and make a chain. There you go. Now go into the center and make single crochet. Keep making single crochets through the center. To make your button. When you get to the other end, you carry on making single crochets through the center. Walk over the yarn tail, like so, and gradually it gets wider and wider. And you're aiming to carry on making your single crochets through the center until you have no space in the middle, or your button is as big as you want it to be for your project. Follow the icon on the screen to make a crochet poppy using this button as your center. That's your front so far. Isn't it beautiful? And that's the back so far. Now I want it a little bit smaller in the middle, so I'll carry on with my button. Make your button to match whatever project you're making it for. You can make it to decorate so many crochet projects. You can make it to make crochet flowers for your bag, tops, etc., and so forth. you go. Now when you think you've finished and you're happy with your button, slip stitch into the third space, yarn over to secure with a knot, and then cut and weave in the end. To weave in, just pass the yarn tail all the way around to bury your tail. Your button is ready to use.